Hi, Isabel. I got one of the frequency charts from the content for the lesson for this topic, and I just wanted to make you a short video and go through what I was trying to explain in the email. When you're doing your frequencies and you're given the frequencies here in this column, then the next step is your cumulative frequencies. So this one's 3, this one is 3 plus the next number, so it's 3 plus 28 is 31, and then the next one you're going to add the 64 and get 95, and so on. And then when you do your cumulative percentages, what you have to do is go down here to the total, which is the 220. That's your N. And you're going to take each value from your cumulative column, and you're going to divide that by 220 and then times by 100 to make it a percent. Actually, yeah, that's what they did. They just didn't show the times 100. And so going down your chart, each time you do that, don't go back and add the previous cumulative frequency. Like, don't go back and get that number because you've already included it here. And so here, you just take this number over here and divide it by the total N and make it a percent. And then you'll know that you've done it right if all your percents add up to 100 by the end, okay? So I hope that helps to explain what I was trying to say in the email. Sometimes it's hard to talk math in words in the email like that.